Hey sunflowers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am playing Roblox with my friend Kaylar.
Hi guys.
So today we're going to show you a house tour of our boats. This is mine, that's Kaylar's. So sneak peek.
My house or your house first?
Let's go with yours.
Okay. So my house is that big.
So here's the mailbox. I like her entrance. It's like kind of modern.
Hi.
Oh. So, if you heard that sound, that's just Kaylar's sister. Okay. These are plants that switching off lights. Okay, let's go in. So here's the lounge area. Here's the I don't want to read a book. Here's like the living room. You can turn on, turn off. Okay, so here's where you play instruments. Wait, let's, I'm gonna like, open the volume up because it's like, okay, let's do Jolly. Play, Jolly. Okay, can I stop playing? Okay, let's go. Okay, here's the kitchen. Pretty big. Here's the bathroom, a little messy. Don't look. I'm gonna take a shower with my clothes off. Okay. Here's the bedroom. This is where I sleep. This is where she sleeps. Yeah, because I like yellows. I told her to give me yellow. A real high painting. This thing. Here is a secret. Oh, this is a backyard. Here's where you like take 10. Here's where you like. This is like a picnic. What is happening? What did you do? That looks so pretty. Okay. I am terrified. I am terrified of this.
I have something. Ice skates.
Ice skates? Where's the ice skates?
Whee!
Oh, wow. Oh, how do I?
I'm just gonna later.
Oh, I have purple. I want a yellow. Okay, let's go. Okay. Here. Guess what's this? Kayla, don't open the door. Guess what is inside? If you guessed it right, you gotta like. It's the garage! Wait, where is your Jeep? Okay, this is her Jeep. This is her golf cart, and these are just normal cars. She also have a moped and a bicycle. Okay. Okay, now it's a button. Let's just go to my house. My house is like almost complete, like not really complete yet. So let's go inside. This is the inside. I really like the painting.
I really love it.
This is my hand, this is Ike's hand. Shh, don't tell Kaylar. Oh, hello. This is my hand, my hand.
Stop it. I know it.
Okay, so this is the living room. I forgot to do this picture. What should I do for this picture? Kaylar, what type of picture should I do for this sunflower? Let's go to cute, because I always go to cute because there's cute pictures. Sorry. Let's see. Oh my gosh. There's so many. What?
I do have only.
What do you mean only? Oh, let's go with this. Okay.
Beds. I want 3 beds. You always leave me behind, and I always have to.
Okay, I'll put 3 beds. Gosh. Let's go to build mode. Let's go in and put 3 beds.
Oh, I'm also gonna build my mine.
What?
I remember.
Okay.
Mine.
So now we're just build moding. Okay. Okay. Sleeping bag. Okay. I am very poor.
Why did you give me a bad one?
No. I could sleep down if you don't want to sleep down. Okay, I'm very nice. Okay, let's do this color. Okay, we're done. Kaylar, let's go.
Yeah.
Okay.
I am.
And also, if you don't know what is this is tissue because of coronavirus. I shouldn't have wear a mask. I gotta buy a mask. Okay, so wait, I forgot to show the here. Okay, the picture. And here it's like the bathroom. This is my favorite spot. Like this is so kawaii and cute. Kaylar, what is your favorite color?
Anything.
Anything? Can I give you black?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. I completely forgot about Kaylar's napkin. Okay, let's take away this cacti. So if you heard that, that's just my brother. What are these called again? I don't know. What are these called? What is it called?
I'm just gonna hit my house.
Just go. Kaylar's still build moding, so I'm just gonna do this alone. So I did Kaylar's white, mine's yellow, and Ikey's blue. This is like a golden pastel golden color, but it's just yellow. Okay, let's go here. My kitchen. Yes. Okay, so let's see, what can we make? What should we make? Let's make cookies because I love cookies. That's the D. Cookies, 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 cookies. I love cookies. If you love cookies, oh, I messed up. If you love cookies, just comment down below. Wait, can they comment? If you can't comment, just like. So now what? Ooh, let's empty these things because I have what we are. Open, store dishes, not open. When is it gonna be done? Oh my god, I should have like put microwave over here, and like toaster, like stuff. Cookies, let's put it there. Let's have one portion because I love cookies. Okay, let's eat. Okay, now this is our room. Get ready to see the room. It's a little plain. I haven't do it yet. Oh, you just saw it. Okay, so let's open the lights. The light is very bright, so I just close it. This is the picture. This is the closet of laundry. This is where we sleep. Kayla kind of said she don't want to sleep here, so I might sleep here or here. Aki can sleep wherever she wants. Yeah. I'm like gonna be the one sleeping on the floor, I guess. Okay. And yeah, I guess that's it. Kayla, are you done build moding?
Oh, I'm sorry.
Are you
I'm done.
So, there's like a secret thing in Kayla's house. It's not really secret anymore because I'm gonna show around the world.
Yeah.
Kayla, I hope you won't mind.
I won't mind.
Don't open it, okay? So, guess where it is. I'll give you 10 seconds to guess. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Have you guessed it? Okay. So, if you guessed right, you just gotta subscribe. Or it's okay if you don't subscribe, but it will be very nice if you subscribe. So, first let's make this bed because it's messy. Okay. Let's read a book. And then let's open this up. Oh, Kayla, why did you close it?
Sorry.
Kayla, you make us stuck. Okay, let's close it. This is so cool. Like, this is like the lounge area. Oh, why did you turn it off? Okay. So, some like, yeah. Okay, so. Yeah. So yeah. Here, she have a lot of money. Like she can't afford a Jeep, like a golf cart, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 computers, 3 TV, and it's raining. I hate raining. Okay.
Well, you should.
So she really worked hard for this. Did you just change the picture?
Yeah, sorry.
Okay, so. Ow, I'm stuck. Hello? I don't want to read a book. So, yeah, I think I'm going to end this here. Okay,
Wait.
What?
Well, I have upgraded something. Follow me.
Oh, wow. What did you do? It's really raining. Oh, wow. What did you do?
When this video finishes.
Okay, so let's. Kayla, do you want to do the outro with me in the skates?
Yeah, sure.
So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure. Oh, yellow. Oh, it's gone. Make sure to subscribe, like, and share. That would be very nice. Wait, share? Why did I say share? I don't think we can share it here. Subscribe and like. So, comment down below how much floor do you have in your house in Bloxburg. If you like don't. Oh, why did you do that? If you like don't. If we can't like do the comment, just say it out loud. Yeah. So, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe and like. So, yeah. I hope. Yeah. Bye, guys. Bye, sunflowers.